unanimous verdict from the jury. Mr. Love, would you stand, please, sir? Having been found guilty by the jury of capital punishment and the jury having answered a unanimous yes to special issue number 2 and a unanimous no to unanimous yes to special issue number 1 and a unanimous no to special issue number 2, it is now the duty of the court to assess your punishment. Is there any legal reason why punishment should not be assessed?
No reason at all.
All right, there being no legal reason, it is therefore the order of judgment and decree of this court that you be taken by the Sheriff of Dallas County and by her safely held for transfer to an authorized receiving agency of the Texas Department of Criminal Justice, wherein you shall be confined until the director of that institution receives an order by this court to carry out the sentence of death by lethal injection. Good luck to you, sir.
Your Honor, the defense would request a poll of the jury.
Juror number 1, is that your verdict?
Yes.
I'm going to start here on the first row to my left. Yes. Is that your verdict? Death by lethal injection. Juror number 2? Yes. Juror number 3?
Yes.
Juror number 4?
Yes.
Juror number 5?
Yes.
Juror number 6?
Yes.
Juror number 7?
Yes.
Juror number 8?
Yes.
Juror number 9?
Yes.
Juror number 10?
Yes.
Juror number 11?
Yes.
Juror number 12?
Yes.
Thank you for your service and your verdicts. It is now the time for the family to give a victim impact statement. If you'd like to remain, you're free to do so. Otherwise, you're free to leave the courtroom. Thank you for your service.
All rise. Here's my notes. I had a chance to ask my 12-year-old daughter if she had anything to say to Mr. Love, and she asked if I came up here and said something. She says Aunt KK's death made me very shocked and confused. And once she was murdered, not anybody would have hurt a person like Aunt KK because she was very kind, smart, beautiful, and just had a wonderful personality. Aunt KK would never, Aunt KK would be, I'm sorry, Aunt KK would be the person who never hurt anybody in any way. But when I heard that somebody hurt and murdered her, it made me heartbroken. And I didn't know what to do in myself, but to go hide in my room and cry. I'm very happy I saw her before she left, and I miss her very much. So that I say, this is all like seeing a new color or smelling a new scent. You've introduced me to new feelings of absolute hatred and disgust, things I never thought I could feel before. Your ability to destroy lives both emotionally and physically is despicable and incomprehensible. For your family, I hope they can see solace knowing that you're the only bad apple, and that this is in no fault of them or your upbringing. Your hate and idiocracy only underscores your ability to possess the true evil that resides within you. You are a shame to humanity, and you are a destroyer of lives. I look forward to ameliorating this epoch in my life by seeing you take your last word, your last hit, and your last breath in the very near future. May God have mercy on you. That's all I have.
I have nothing prepared because I didn't know how long this would take. For 2 weeks, I've been away from my kids. We're missing one of our daughters daughter's birthday's tomorrow. We miss Halloween with our kids. And for the last 3 years, I feel like I've been an absent mother to my children. I hope that when I return home, I can wake up to them just a little piece of me that was taken. I've tried to feel something, to try to feel sorry for him, and I can't do it. I can't do it. So many nights I've laid awake in my bed and thought of my little sister, like her last moments on this earth. $500 and drugs? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Do you know what she would have given you to save her life? What I would have given you? What our family would have given you? Her life was so much more than that. She had so much to offer, and we'll never get to see that. Her goddaughter will never know her. I talk to her every day about KK so that I can instill in her just a little piece of her. It's torn my family apart to have to go through this. And to the jury, I can't thank you enough. I've thought of you and prayed of you every single day since they said they were selecting jurors. All of this could have been avoided with a stupid, ignorant decision that could have been stopped. It was planned, it was thought out, it could have been stopped. None of us would have had to be here if he hadn't pulled that trigger. Thank you. First of all, I want to thank the jury. I can only imagine how hard this has been for you to be away from your family. And here it is, a holiday, and those of you with the little ones want to be home with your kids. And I just want to go home and give them a hug. And you are so blessed. And just take care of your kids. But I started to write this as I never called you by your name. To me, for 3 years, you have only been known as the shooter. And I will never call you by your name because you are just the shooter. Until I found out you were the executioner of my daughter. You didn't shoot her. You executed my daughter for absolutely no reason in the world. So I'm going to start to read what I was hoping that I would be able to read. I was going to pass it up, but I can't pass up this opportunity. You know, we often hear people say that they just live a normal life. Well, let me tell you, executioner, our lives have been anything but normal for 3 years and 57 days. 3 years and 57 days we have lived this. No answers. Why? So I'm here to tell you that your life also has been anything but normal for also 3 years and 57 days. Your life, I pray, someday soon will end one way or another. And if you received the ultimate, your life, Mr. Executioner, will end peacefully, unlike my daughter's. Dr. Hatcher, you chose to end her life. For what? Besides drug and prostitution money. Oh, God. Lord help me. My beautiful daughter, my children's sister, my grandchildren, they're in KK. My daughter was a godmother to my granddaughter. I just want you, I didn't know if I'd be able to do this or not, but I really feel glad that I did do this. That I actually read part of my impact statement. And again, I cannot thank you girls enough. I'm sorry that you've had to endure what you've had to endure for 2 weeks, but God bless you all.
All rise.
Put on record. Your Honor, just on the record, defendant now files the trial court certification and right up appeal, defendant's motion for the trial, defendant's notice of appeal, Pop Road, and request for appointment of attorney on appeal.
Thank you, sir.